You may have heard and are wondering if it's true. Listen, Frisco, Texas is one of the hottest places to live in the entire United States of America. So what is so special? What is so great about Frisco? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you the big to-do about Frisco, Texas. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard and I've lived in Texas since I was 4 years old. And I've been a real estate agent for 12 years now, helping people like you discover the best cities and the best neighborhoods to live in Texas. Today I'm in Frisco, Texas, and oh my goodness. What would it be like if you lived in Frisco, Texas? Well, imagine this. You could wake up and take your dog out for a walk on the many neighborhood trails. After taking the dog out, grab your water and head on down to the Frisco Athletic Center where you can get your workout in. Now listen, the Frisco Athletic Center, it's only like $70 for the entire family, and that includes childcare, at least at the time of recording this video. And there's a fitness gym, aerobic classes, there's a lap pool, indoor heated pool, you have the outdoor fun pool for the kids. Your kids will really enjoy this place. If you like to take care of your body, eat healthy, work out, or maybe you want to, in Frisco you'll have everything you need for a healthy lifestyle, especially with the Frisco Fresh Market right down the street. Or if you prefer Orange Theory or CrossFit, Frisco, Texas has a plethora of fitness options available, as well as so many running, walking, biking trails that you can just go for a stroll if you like. After your workout, you can swing by Market Street, grab some extra spinach so that you can go home and make your own green smoothie. Why? Because it's a healthy lifestyle in Frisco, Texas. Hey, listen, I actually do drink a green smoothie, not every day, but I try to drink one every single day. Why? Because it makes me feel good. At least good about myself. I feel like I'm giving myself nutrition, even on the days I don't work out. Now, with the statistics of 70% of the people are married and 64% of the population in Frisco are children, you can be sure that Frisco's the perfect place for a growing family. Now listen, the schools in Frisco are top-notch in the state of Texas with not only high academics, but we're talking sports, the arts, so many options for students to have whenever they're all growing up in Frisco ISD. Now, hey, you don't have to be in that category if you want to live in Frisco. There are plenty of singles, as well as there are retired folks in Frisco because it's such a great location. It's a great area. There is what they call the Grove, and it's for the 55 plus active lifestyle community. It's a place that you go, you can join a membership, they have activities, fun things to do. There are walking trails behind there, and they have so many activities. So you don't have to be in a 55 plus community in order to meet other active retirees. And now there are communities in Frisco that are 55 plus as well, so just reach out to me if you're looking for that. But all that to say, Frisco really is for just about anyone. Now let's get on with what are the things to do? What kind of entertainment is there in Frisco? Whether you're a single, married, or retiree, there's so much to do in Frisco. You will love it. We have the Frisco Heritage Museum, the National Video Game Museum, the Sci-Tech, and the Sci-Tech Discovery Center. Parks, playgrounds, and outdoor entertainment are everywhere. And if you haven't heard yet, the Star in Frisco is a 91-acre campus of the Dallas Cowboys. It's their headquarters and practice facility, and developed as a first of its kind between the city of Frisco and Frisco ISD. And as the website states, the Star gives fans the opportunity to connect with the Dallas Cowboys in ways they had never imagined. And hey, if you're not a Dallas Cowboys fan and you're moving to Texas, I'm not saying that you won't be welcome here, But once you see this, you may just want to change your mind. And hey, if you like soccer, the Toyota Stadium is also in Frisco, Texas. The Toyota Stadium is home to the National Soccer Hall of Fame, and it hosts concerts, high school soccer, college soccer, so much soccer going on at the Toyota Stadium. And listen, there are eateries, there's shopping, and many outdoor activities in Frisco near the Toyota Stadium and the Star that if you're not a sports fan, that's okay because there's plenty for you to do as well. In fact, let's move on to shopping. It just keeps getting better. I love Frisco because there's plenty for sports fans. My husband is a sports fan, and I will sit next to him like a good wife and watch the Dallas Cowboys. It's not that I don't like them, but you know, I don't mind going shopping every now and then. And listen, the shopping place, Stone Briar Center, whew, you ain't never seen a mall like this. This is a ginormous mall. It has a movie theater. It's beautifully decorated at Christmas time. It's like an elegant, modern mall. There's valet parking, great dining options, and the only Lego store in the area. You will love it. Now listen, I could go on about entertainment, sports, shopping, eateries, outdoor activities, healthy lifestyle, but Dana, what about housing? What can I get for a home in Frisco? Well, hey, let me show you. And also, let me just throw this in. If you don't get in now, because there's still areas to be developed in Frisco, once the development is finished, you can bet that house prices are going to skyrocket. Right now, they're pretty dang reasonable if you want to compare them to the rest of the country. You'll be amazed at what you can get for your money in Frisco. Let's take a look. All right, this house sold for $265. It does have wood floors. Could use a little bit of updating, but it is cute for $265. All right, so here's a new home that sold for $365, and I love it because it's kind of like a cross between a Craftsman and a modern home. Now listen, these are narrow houses, but it's not too far from where all the action is at in Park West here. Now, homes in the $350 range, if you want larger square footage, maybe around the 3,000 square foot mark, then they're gonna be built in the 90s and 2000s. It may need a little bit of updating. Ooh, this one sold for $350 as well. Needs a little bit of updating, but hey, not too shabby for $350. In the backyard, not too bad. It looks like they photoshopped the grass. Now listen, when your budget is anywhere from about $450 on up, $600, $700, $800 and more, you can get into a brand new home, and they are really pretty in very nice communities. Now locations will vary, so some of the homes that say they're at $500,000, they're probably not gonna be right in the middle of the action, but you know, a 10-minute drive is all it will take to get you right in those hot spots. Here's a cute new home. Floor plan. This sold right at $500,000. Isn't that cute? Oh yeah. Now this one's a new home, and so it's in far north Frisco. 380 does have shopping and Kroger and things like that as well, but it's about 10 to 15 minutes to where all the action's at right here. Prosper's also a good place to live, by the way. Just giving you FYI, if you don't land right in Frisco, Prosper's fantastic, McKinney's fantastic, Allen's fantastic. All these cities up here are fantastic. I just want to highlight Frisco for a moment. Now look at this home. It sold at $530. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh yeah. There's your kitchen. Cute house. This one's in Lexington Country, and 3-car garage, nice hardwood floors, nice kitchen, beautiful staircase, very nice. The backyard on this home is not that big, but has media room, all those good things. This one sold at $570. Let's move on, Dana. One thing I want to share with you is that in Texas, it's hard to find the modern contemporary homes, but there are some really cute, nice, modern contemporary homes in Frisco around the $700,000 price point and up. You can find that. You may want to build it, but there are some modern contemporary homes in Frisco at about that price point, and of course up to $2 million or so. This one doesn't have pictures because it was a new home. It's one of my favorite builders, which is Southgate Homes. But I thought it was cute. It sold at $750,000. It doesn't have any interior pictures, just the floor plan, but I love their floor plans. One thing you can find in Texas is many traditional Texas style homes, and that's what I would say this one is. It's very nice, still has a transitional interior, but still has a little Texas flair. This one sold for $940,000. All right, here you go. Here's another modern style. It's kind of a blend, this home. It's not quite 100% modern, but it has the modern flair, and I like the metal accent pieces here. I'm really digging this house. This sold for $940,000. Again, it's a Southgate home, which I'm in love with. Look at the cabinets in this home, the green. And I like the waterfall island. I don't know if it's just me, but from the pictures, that tub looks a little on the small side. And then also, one thing that you can get in Frisco is a Mediterranean style new home. And so I like that as well. And this one sold for $1.2 million. I'm surprised they don't have the waterfall. Because it's Mediterranean on the exterior, but not necessarily on the interior. Hey, do you want to buy a home in Texas? If so, let's partner up. And hey, if you're gonna buy a new home, we can help you as well. Watch this video on why you should hire an experienced real estate agent. So Dana, tell me the next step. Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether you are a year out or even need to move this month, the next step is to fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below. In the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me of what you want in a dream home and in a community. And after you share your favorite snack with me, you will click the submit button and an email will be sent to you with a link to book a consultation call with me via Zoom. We will get to meet online and you can ask me anything you want about Texas. Then we will narrow down some great areas for you, and when you're ready, I have a team to help you find the perfect home for your family. So go ahead, don't be shy. The link is below in the description. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram and you can get to know me a little more in a more personal way. I look forward to meeting you.